Hi, welcome back to my class. In today's class, I'm going to teach you ihe ndị a na-ahụ n'usekwu. Ihe ndị a na-ahụ n'usekwu. Things found in the kitchen. In Igbo, do you know what pot is called? Spoon, knife. I'm going to teach you that. So sit back and enjoy. The first on my list is what is called ngaji. Ngaji or ngazi. Ngaji or ngazi. Spoon. Nwa ngaji. Nwa ngaji. Teaspoon. Ite. Ite. Pot. Ọkụ. Ọkụ. Clay pot. Iko. Iko, cup or mug. Efere, efere or afele or efele. Plate. Eku, eku, soup spoon. Ndodo, ndodo, fork. Oho achicha, oho achicha. Toaster. Mma ekwu, knife, kitchen knife. Mma achịcha, bread knife. Nkata, basket. Ikwe, mortar. Akodo, pencil. Myo, sieve. Mpo, container. Kom, tin. Igbe ndakwa, microwave. Nju oyi, refrigerator. Nkwo, grater. Ite mmiri ọkụ, kettle. Ekwu, cooker or stove. Kalama, bottle. Nza, shifter. Nkwo, blender. Mbu, trash or bin. Akpa mbu, bean bag. Mkpocha, dustpan or packer. Aziza, broom. Ekwu nsacha, sink. Obo, sponge. Ncha mmiri, liquid soap. Ncha ọkpụrụkpụ, bar soap. Uko, shelf. This is where we draw the curtain for today. I hope you enjoyed your lessons. See you in our next class. Bye.